Today we're going to be unboxing the Barrina T5 grow light, which I'm going to add to my IKEA Milsbo Cabinet. This is not a sponsored video, just a quick look at what's inside the box and some details about the product in case you're looking to add grow lights to your setup. Let's unbox this Barrina T5 LED grow light, which is a 10 watts, 2 feet long and a 6-pack. Let's see what's inside. It comes with an instruction guide, some stickers, the cables, extenders, some zip ties, some clips to attach your grow lights to your cabinet, and the 6 packs of grow lights. Let's look at the T5 LED tubes. These are a 5000 Kelvin grow lights, which means that they produce natural daylight. Perfect for plants to grow well. I'm going to show you how to connect them later. So how do we attach this to our cabinet? The 3 ways. Barrina has provided with double-sided tape, zip ties, as well as these clips. So why did I choose these Barrina T5 grow lights? Firstly, they're energy efficient, they use less power, they also have a high PPFD output. So what does PPFD stand for? It stands for photosynthesis photon flux density, which measures how usable light reaches your plants. A higher PPFD means better growth, stronger roots, and healthier leaves. These lights are great for seedlings, propagation, and tropical plants. Okay, I'm going to show you how to plug in and set up your grow light. And this is the connector to your grow light. So you just push it in, turn it on, turn on your switch here, and that is how bright it looks. Let me show you how to connect 2 feet tubes together and make it a 4 feet light for your wider cabinets. So you just attach them together, turn on your switch, and bingo, Bob's your uncle. Another way that you can attach the grow lights is with this connector, where you can daisy chain 2 grow lights in case you want to have a parallel setup. Just like I did. So you attach it and then you can have a parallel setup just like so. Just for reference, this is how it would look in a grow cabinet in a parallel setup. Overall, the Barrina T5 grow lights are a reliable and affordable plant lighting solution. Do let me know in your comments if you use any other grow lights. And lastly, don't forget to like, subscribe. Until the next time, see ya!